Hello everyone, welcome to Aurora's Kitchen and Lifestyle. Today let's check how to make this dry fruits laddu without sugar. Yes, I made it without sugar using dates. So take walnut, pistachio and cranberries 1 by 4 cup and almond 1 by 4 cup and some cardamom powder, and I'm also taking some sesame seeds of 3 teaspoon. Now coarse grind all the nuts. You can also take cashew if you have. I didn't have it, and raisins instead of cranberries. So just grind it one time and remove to a plate. So I'll just grind all the nuts. Now I'll grind the dates. I have taken 11 dates. That also we have to coarse grind, or you can also chop it. So as you see, it's not getting grinded properly, so I'm chopping few of them. Now in a pan take 1 teaspoon of ghee. Raisins if you have. I had 2 teaspoon of raisins, so I added it. Cranberries, nuts. Now cook it in medium flame for 3 minutes. Add the sesame seeds of 3 teaspoon. Cardamom powder 1 by 4 teaspoon. Cook for 2 minutes. Now add the dates and mix them well. Using a spoon, you just mash it and keep the flame low. And after 2 minutes, just switch up the flame and let it cool down. Do not cool down it completely, let it warm, then try to make the laddus. So mix it once again and then try to make laddus. So make sure you are taking little of dates and then the nuts, so that it will not have more of dates in a laddu. Give it a good binding. And our dry fruits laddus are ready. This came out really well. You should definitely try out this recipe. Without sugar, if we can make this kind of laddu, then it's great and it's very yummy. You should definitely try. Thank you everyone for watching. Have a very nice day.